Welcome to CarHunt, your destination for powerful jets and untold stories. Today, we take a closer look at South Africa's bold steps in the skies of 2026. While South Africa isn't usually the first country that comes to mind when we talk about fighter jets, don't be fooled. This nation has a legacy of innovation and self-reliance, especially when it comes to defending its skies. At the heart of South Africa's 2026 fighter jet presence lies the Atlas Cheetah, a jet born during the isolation years of the 1980s, but still relevant today through upgrades and support roles. However, by 2026, South Africa isn't just holding on to the past. It's also stepping into the future with an increasing focus on unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and cost-effective surveillance aircraft. This hybrid approach combines older jets with advanced support systems, allowing South Africa to maintain air power without overspending. On the outside, the Atlas Cheetah still commands attention. Its modified frame based on the Mirage 3 gives it a distinct delta-wing profile, designed for speed and agility. While it doesn't look like the stealth jets of today, its frame has been optimized over decades to deliver reliable performance under harsh African conditions. With a new matte gray camouflage in 2026, it blends into modern battlefields far better than before. Inside the cockpit, upgrades have brought the Cheetah into the digital age. Gone are the outdated analog gauges. In their place are multifunctional displays, new HUD systems, and upgraded radar that gives pilots a clearer view of the sky. These improvements may not match fifth-gen fighters, but they give South African pilots the edge they need in regional defense and training operations. When it comes to performance, the Cheetah remains a fierce interceptor. It can hit Mach 2 and climb to high altitudes quickly, giving it the speed advantage against slower threats. But what's more impressive is how South Africa uses these jets with smaller drones for joint missions. While the Cheetah keeps watch, the UAVs scout below, saving cost and manpower while expanding situational awareness. In terms of safety, the aircraft is fitted with basic electronic countermeasures, ejection seats, and improved communication tools. Pilots train under real-time data-sharing conditions with ground control, making every mission safer and more efficient. Though South Africa doesn't have a massive air force, its training programs focus heavily on survival, smart tactics, and adaptability. In 2026, South Africa's air force may not match the giants, but it doesn't need to. With smart choices, clever upgrades, and a blend of manned and unmanned systems, South Africa proves that power isn't just about flashy jets. It's about smart defense. For a nation that once built fighter jets under sanctions, today's quiet confidence in the sky speaks volumes. If you enjoyed this human-written story, don't forget to subscribe to CarHunt for more real story.